How do you set up your general ledger GL account mapping hierarchy and any per-part or per-PRC transaction mapping overrides in Cetec ERP? To view your default GL account mappings, click Admin. Then Config Settings. Then GL Transaction Mappings. On the GL Transaction Mapping page, click into the blue links to view or edit the mappings associated with each transaction type. There is a separate tutorial that deals specifically with how to set these up. These default GL transaction mappings are overridden by any PRC-specific or part-specific mappings you create. If both PRC and part mappings are set, part-specific mappings will take precedence over PRC-specific mappings. In order to set PRC-specific transaction mappings, navigate to Parts, then Lists, then PRC List. Enter the PRC group you want, and click Submit to run the report, or you can run the full list of PRC groupings by simply clicking Submit. Click into the blue PRC code link. A pop-up window will appear where you are given the option to set PRC-specific account mappings. To set part-specific GL account mappings, go to Parts, then Lists. Then Part List. Find the part you want. Click into the part link on the report. You're taken to the part view screen. In the left side menu, click Edit. Scroll down to the Accounting Information section. In this section, you can set part-specific GL account mappings. Now you have a good foundational knowledge of how to set up GL transaction mappings in Cetec ERP, and how these settings interact with each other to create a GL mapping hierarchy.